Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I keep the workout at home, no gym, no problem. Yeah. So I try to find out ways which gym equipment can be replaced at home. This is me replacing sliders. It's pretty good, yeah, but I had to try to do something else. Now, first of all, I tried it using my socks. It felt really good, yeah, but after some time it started to burn. So what I did was I got some paper towels and I used it as support. So it reduced the friction between the my feet and the floor. I used it for whatever routines I was going to use with my sliders, and yeah, I did all of these routines in my living room, and I had fun doing it. Whatever routines you can do with the sliders, you do them. Just give yourself certain number of reps, certain number of sets. Each of these I did them for 20 reps times 2 sets. Yeah, I'm lazy like that. Well, anyway, you get the idea. You do not need the gym to lose weight. You do not need the gym to get fit. You can do every single thing in your home. So that's about it. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and follow and help like, and also follow I Am Say on Instagram. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.